Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. All things are possible for me when I use my fourth dimensional self constructively. The self is not limited. Thank you so much for stopping here. My name is Dr. Marlene Owen. Before we begin, I invite you to please subscribe to this channel so that we can quickly grow. Also, please feel free to like and share with anyone you feel this topic might resonate with. Today, I want to share with you my thoughts on why I strongly believe that all things are possible for me when I use my fourth dimensional self constructively. The self is not limited. My friends, we are all energetic beings living in this physical body with a mind that is gifted to us to create our own reality. And with that, we can agree that we live on three planes of understandings, which are the spiritual, the mental, and the physical planes. The physical planes we know as three dimensions, because we have the height, we have the length, and we have the width. But we experience the physical reality in a time sequence as the past, the present, and the future. Or in other words, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. However, I want you to understand about the fourth dimensional self and what the fourth dimensional self is. It is the three dimension of the physical plane, which I mentioned, plus the addition of time. It is also the spiritual or the energetic side of us. For me, my fourth dimensional self is what I refer to as my imagination. It is where my spirit lives. It is the place from which I do all my intended manifestation. Now, the fourth dimensional plane, like I mentioned, is consisted of the three dimensions of space, which is length, height, and width, as well as the addition of time, which is now. Because in your imagination, everything is now. So therefore, your experience of your reality is always happening now. For example, when you imagine your desires, you generally imagine it happening in the present tense, which is now. In your mind, you see the end result and experience it as if it is happening right now. So therefore, that experience you feel into is actually activating your fourth dimensional self. My friends, comment below and tell me if you understand this concept. Because as a coach, I am here to help you understand how your fourth dimensional self works and how to activate it so that you can now manifest your intended desires and see it appear in your physical reality. Because yes, we all manifest all the time. We manifest things that we want, and we manifest things that we do not want. Most of the times we're actively asking for desires and keep wondering why it hasn't come through yet. Well, do you know that it is important to ask from a place where all things are possible? So my fourth dimensional self is where I feel into my thoughts or my ask on the desires that I want. It is actually experienced from an up to down movement, because I am able to pull down my desires from my fourth dimension, my imagination, onto the physical 3D plane by feeling into it. And I can coach you on how to do this too. So again, to recap, in your 3D world, you experience length, height, and width. You can see this, however, each experience occurs in the now, because everything happens now. So, everyone, I am inviting you to share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you're actively using your imaginations to achieve your desires. Also, share with us in the comments some good things that you have manifested lately. I do want to hear about your successes. And also I want to hear about where you're feeling you might need some help with. My links are included in the description. And so if you ever want to reach out to me, please feel free to. My next request is that you join my Soul Tribe community and let us build from the ground up. Be the first 100 contributors. You can use the link provided, and it is free to join for a limited time, so please join now. Thank you again, my friends, and see you in the next video where we will dive into the fourth dimensional self some more. Love and light, everyone. Thank you for your time. Bye.